Yes, guys, how to rank YouTube videos with Tubebuddy. Let's go. Guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, I'll be very quick with this one. Stay right to the end because I explain exactly how it works. So, how to rank with YouTube. So what I've done is, let me just start again. This is one of the channels, one of my new channels that I'm working on right now. Let me just exit there. Okay, so let's say you got your channel, my new channel is there, and I want to rank one of my videos, right? And I'll show you how I ranked on the first page, guys. Check this out. So I go to Tubebuddy on the side, go to Keyword Explorer very quickly because Keyword Explorer helps me see if the videos actually do work. I'm going to paste in, keyword that I really want to use because I do talk about Fiverr, how to find low competition gigs on Fiverr. Simple as that, right? I did a video to explain how you can do that, right? So I put it in Keyword Explorer, click Explore. Now, this is going to give me an idea of an overall score, and I've talked about this video. Check out my playlist about weighted, unweighted, and I go through it in detail. But yeah, so what I've done is basically I've typed this in, and then I get a score, right? Unweighted is just like a general score, and weighted is like more specific to your own channel, right? Now, mine's this channel that I have is a very small channel, so obviously, it's not going to be like weighted heavily because it doesn't really, it's quite new, it doesn't have much. So, but actually, funny enough, looking at the string of words, it's giving me a fair score, a fair score, which means that search volume is okay, fair, competition is fair, optimization strength is good. So it can be optimized quite well, okay? So if I can optimize it, it can work quite well, which is good. That's a really good sign, right? So I did that and I worked on it and I put the keywords in and made sure all the keywords are there. And like I said, you can check out my other videos of how I do that. But I've done this and literally this was done maybe 3.5 weeks ago, 4 months. Sorry, 3.5 weeks ago or a month ago. I did this video. And right now, I'm actually ranked on the top page with this keyword, which is, I'll be honest, I'm very happy with that. And I'm going to show you where it is on the first page. So look, I've just typed it up. This is the first page. Yeah, I've just typed it at the top, how to find low competition gigs on Fiverr. And look, this is the advert. The top one's an advert. I've done quite a few videos actually on this one, competition on gigs on Fiverr. I'm the second one. Guys, look, the top guy has got 8.5k views. I'm the second guy. I've only got 80 views because like this is new. And this is telling me that this video will keep growing. It's a grower, which is amazing. Because look, YouTube videos, they're like assets. They just keep growing. The impressions keep increasing. And what's really nice about this, and I'm quite happy with it, is that the algorithm likes this video. And what I mean by the YouTube algorithm, if I click on this video that I did, see, like, this is like an experiment, this channel, but it's really interesting how things work because look, obviously I did the title, the description, and I did the video tags, and I made sure all of these were done properly. Check out my other videos, guys, if you want to see how I do it. But if I go to the analytics, and the analytics, YouTube analytics is fantastic because it tells you everything. Look at it, like just now, today, so suggested, these are suggested videos. It's a suggested video, right? Already got 2 subscribers just from this video, which is nice to get, which is good. Actually shows you 3.6 click-through rate, not too shabby. And then you got 86% from YouTube recommending my content. So 86% of what I'm getting is what YouTube recommends. So they like it. Now obviously I talk about thumbnails too, so check out my video on thumbnails. But guys, look, if you're a new YouTuber or you're starting a new channel, you need to make sure that you test out if the keywords work on TubeBuddy first of all. Now if it's going to have a chance, if it's going to have a chance of ranking, then it needs to rank quite well. So you need to test out different words. And here also on TubeBuddy, it gives you video topic suggestions. So it's going to give me like, it may give me, not always, sometimes it gives you suggestions on the side which you can look, and then you can always type them in. and try them out and see what works. But what's really nice about this is that it gives you a lot of the information, and you can also type in different words and see how it works for you. And it also gives you, look, the results, tells you what the top ranking ones are for this kind of thing. So at least you get to see also what the videos look like, because it's important to see what thumbnails work, what titles they put in, for, other people, what they put in, and then look, it ranks it. So it actually gives you an idea of the kind of things that you could do that might work for you. Tubebuddy's fantastic. It's got so many things. I could literally do, well, I am doing videos on it. Could do loads of videos on it. But guys, if you want to play around with Tubebuddy, and I think it's probably Tubebuddy and VidIQ, they're most likely the two most popular amongst YouTubers in terms of software. But like I said, if you want to try it out, click the link in my description. You get a 30-day free trial and to play around with it. But yeah, if you want to check out my other videos on how to grow a channel and so on, please check it out in my playlist. And if you did like this video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.